back to my channel. My name is Angelique, and today I created this look for a video on here, and I want to take this lipstick off, so I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to use these new Worthy Way Cosmetics lip scrub and lip balm. Now this is an indie brand, and I will link all of their stuff down below. This is also a black owned brand. The lady who owns this brand, it just started. Her name is Bev, and she is amazing, and she's been one of my friends since the beginning in this beauty community, and I really wanted to take the opportunity to showcase these on my channel. Now her brand is all about eco-friendliness. All of her packaging, everything, even the package that she sends it in, everything is eco-friendly. All of the little paper, everything is recyclable, and so she's really doing her part to help the earth, and she just wants everything to be eco-friendly, so it goes towards her efforts to support sustainability. So to start off with, I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and wipe this lipstick off, because liquid lipsticks, oh my god, they leave my lips so dry, and I can't wait to take them off. My lips are super chapped right now anyways. That doesn't look pretty. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the lip scrub. This is what it looks like. It doesn't have much of this. It doesn't have much of a smell, and it's chunky, which is good. I'm just going to use it to scrub my lips. I had someone in my comments one time ask me about a good lip scrub and a lip balm, so I thought this would be really good to show you guys. I'm just going to rub it in. It already feels good, because even though I can feel it rubbing off the dead skin, it has like a buttery feel to a lot of it that is really pleasing and really smooth and really soft already. Oh, my lips needed this so badly. It does taste good. I accidentally just tasted some. It tastes pretty good. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe that off. Oh my god. My lips feel brand new right now. I can't wait to add this lip balm. I did go ahead and fill back in around my mouth with foundation, because I am going to vote in a few minutes, and I want to make sure that I don't look all weird. Okay, so this is the lip balm. So it's one that you can just stick your finger in and rub on. Oh my god. Oh my god, that feels, I cannot even describe. First of all, my lips feel the smoothest that they have felt in a long time. I don't know how well you guys can see on camera, but they are silky smooth. That lip balm afterwards, this feels like freaking heaven. I cannot even describe it. It has a little bit of a vanilla-y scent. It doesn't really taste like anything, but oh my god, that feels so amazing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I would definitely recommend these. I hope you guys will check it out. I hope you will check this brand out. It is called Worthy Way Cosmetics. My card got a little crumpled in the mail, but here's all of their information right here, and I will also link that down below for you guys to go and check it out. And then I will also link Bev herself, because she is also a smaller influencer, and she is a small black creator. So I will link all of her information down below so that you can follow her as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little try on, try out, whatever you want to call it, review of these Worthy Way lip scrub and lip balm products. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one.